Hello, I'm Radul, and this is KrishiVoice, Azure AI powered voice assistant for small farmers, one platform, one language, and infinite possibilities. What is the challenge? The last mile problem in agriculture. 500 million plus farmers excluded, and rupees 1.5 lakh loss per crop. Multiple disconnected apps. Farmers struggle with separate tools for disease detection, prices, schemes, loans, all requiring literacy and English. Market opportunity, a $50 billion market waiting for voice first solutions. The first mover advantage. No competitor has integrated voice chatbot, disease detection, activity logging, plus Azure AI in one platform for illiterate farmers. Industry demand spans over FPOs, cooperatives, insurance companies, and input dealers, all seeking farmers' intelligence platforms. One platform, all farming decisions. It may include all the 16 tools, just like disease and pest detection, market intelligence, soil health scanner, activity logging, schemes and loans, smart crop calendars, pesticide checker, agri-services, and many more. So Azure-powered AI companion. This is the core differentiator of our app. It includes multilingual input. That is, input can be taken in any regional language like Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, and the context awareness is the next step. So the along with the multilingual input, the prompt is also passed with the crops of the farmers and all the activities of the farmers, and what he get in returns a multimodal output. Responses is text, speech, or both, adjustable for a literacy level with 95% accuracy. And the community intelligence is the next step. Anonymized data creates pest alerts and early warning system across the regions. Enterprise grade AI backbone. Azure Services powering KrishiVoice, Azure Services, Speech Services, Custom Voice Vision, Azure OpenAI, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Maps, Azure Functions. So why Azure? Regional data centers ensure low latency for rural India. File list compiling with the data localization laws. Now, from idea to product pilots. So we have our web version operational. Mobile app in development tested with 50 plus farmers in Uttar Pradesh. And our team is also an SIH winner of the National Agricultural Innovation Team Expertise in Production Grade Agri-Tech, growing recognition, multiple hackathon finalist achievements. So we can have multiple revenue streams, zero force payments, B2C direct farmers, freemium model, core tool free disease detection, calendar, basic chat, premium 200 rupees per month for unlimited AI consultations and priority alerts. B2B and 2G organization, FPOs and cooperatives, rupees 500 per month per member, state departments, rupees 10 to 50 lakh annually for the helpline automation, insurance, rupees 50 lakh plus for risk detection, data and analytics, de-identified crop intelligence, data sets for researchers, climate risk scoring for green finance and agricultural startup. So what is the cost for per farmer per year? It only costs $2 to $3, and revenue per farmer is $5 to $10 per year. Target of $200 plus extra whatever it will come. So phase one we are planning for India Foundation, and phase two we can plan for national expansion, and in phase three we can also plan for international launch, and in phase we can also scale it to global level. So giving voice to the voiceless in agriculture. A farmer who cannot read should never have a guess to KrishiVoice giving them a voice. So, what is a vision by 2030? Million of small farmers in Africa, Asia, and beyond use of KrishiVoice as the daily companion for farm decisions. The reality, technology exists. What's missing is the will to design it for illiterate users in their languages at their cost. Thank you. So, this is our website, which is KrishiVoice, and this is the farmer dashboard. So, this is it. Here we can receive the notifications or events. Now let's log an activity into the website. For example, it's an irrigation activity. And let's suppose it is done on today, and we have done drip irrigation. When you click on the save button, the activities will be saved. And if I go to the map activities, there are some activities. So when I click on generate suggestions, the AI is thinking and it will generate suggestions based on my activities. So here we can see that suggestions have been generated. Now let's discover the tools section of this website. So let's go to the detect crop disease section, for which we are using Microsoft Azure Services. This is the section where the farmer chooses his crop image, just like this. And Microsoft Azure AI will is analyzing this. As we can see that the disease detected is rice blast with a confidence level of 95%. And we can see here the treatment recommendations, prevention tips, recommended fertilizers to be used for this particular disease. Now let's come on to the next section, which is the pest detection. We can see that the name of the disease which is detected is rice bug. So the treatments, the prevention tips, the recommended pesticides, recommended quantity, all are being given by the Microsoft Azure services. We are having many such services on our website or our platform, and the most impressive one is this AI chatbot. You can ask any question to the chatbot, and chatbot will give response. We have used Microsoft Speech Services and Microsoft OpenAI to perform this task. We can also give voice input, just like say, "Hello, can you give me what you can do?"